Hi, I'm Francesco.
My name is Vanessa and this is our van, Hiro.
Hiro. Hello, please come in. We decided to go for a van because I love surfing, and as a surfer you have this dream of traveling with a surfboard, waking up on the beach. So a few years ago I bought a crap Ford Transit. It was rotten, rusted, but it was clear that we really liked it, so we said, okay, let's have a plan, let's start. So we saw all the camper vans around. We weren't really happy about the design, so Vanessa is an architect and we decided to go for a nice plan, and then I look around to buy the right vehicle, so I bought this VOLKSWAGEN, which is a great car as well, so you can move around easily. And then we just took a dive into it, a lot of tutorials online, chat, and we just put the hands on, and then we did it. It took us quite a lot of time and effort, but we did it. We bought a really good guide, which is Nate Murphy, and it was really helpful. From A to Z, honestly, we went to go through everything, especially remember the water stuff and electrics, which is not, I think it's the hardest part to learn, but it was quite straightforward and easy to understand. This is our van, Hiro. As you can see, we try to keep the space as minimal as possible, quite clean, a lot of storage. You can come and see a lot of cupboards here where we can put everything basically. So such a small place, you need to be tidy enough to move. It's the three of us, so that's what we were looking for. Yeah, one of the main feature is this one, pop-up roof. So it's a nice bed in the evening, and during the day you can stand up and move around the van. So for when you're really hungry, you have a stove here where you can cook outside on the open air, and this lovely drawer. This is our table for dinner. You have everything you need. And in the evening, I'll show you, you can move things, and while you relax, you can use a smaller table just for your computer, glasses, bottle of wines, and then when you're ready for bed, you just lock everything. Because if you don't want to sleep on the roof, you can sleep here. And I'll show you. You can open these bed here, this way, and these with another cushion will become another bed. So if it's cold, if you want to be stealthy, that's the bed. Also, this is a Japanese way of camper van because we wanted to be stealthy like a ninja, and when you look at outside, it's a completely normal van, so you can go anywhere with no problem at all. Okay, even if it's a small van, we have everything. Like the heating system here is a diesel heating system, so you don't need it. You just need it like an hour in the winter time, and then it will stay warm all night long because it's well insulated. Here is the cool box. So your little fridge. It's just a simple cool box, you don't need much. Water system is very simple with this sink, and water tanks is two 20 liters tanks, so you can swap them when they're empty, and then easily, not too heavy to refill basically. That's another important part. We have plenty of USB through the camper van here with a 12 volt where you can use an inverter to charge your laptop, and more USB at the back. Lightings. About the electric system, is a solar panel on the roof. It's great. You can basically do everything with that. You don't need any hookup. You can go anywhere without the need to get plugged for the electricity. So it's very handy. We don't have fridge, we don't have any appliances, so we don't need a lot of energy. And with the solar panel we have, you'll find. This is the storage. That's where we leave our luggage. So all the dress, clothes is here. Easy to reach. And yeah, bookshelf here. There is another one here that you cannot see from there actually. And a lot more back storage for the more, yeah, I don't know how to describe that. This is the storage for your duvet, pillows, everything goes there. There is another bookshelf there at the bottom. Okay, this is a small van, you don't have a lot of space, and the question is, where is the toilet? So we have a solution for this, and it's a very useful and clean and green toilet where you can do your stuff, put in a bag and throw it away. We live in central London and we have a very restricted garage, which is an underground garage with 2 meter height. So we had to lower the van to fit into the garage, because with a pop-up roof it couldn't fit. So that was the maximum size we could get. This is the perfect van if you're not too demanding. So the size is it's quite small, it's very compact. So for two adults and a kid is probably the best, otherwise just a couple. And that's the reason we bought this van.
I hope you enjoyed that content. If you hadn't noticed, we do have an ebook that we sell, and the link is just in the description. It contains 160 pages crammed full of practical advice, walkthrough information, electronic schematics and part lists, which will make your job a lot easier for doing a van conversion, and it will save you time and money. Also, we've created special videos for the ebook which enable you to see walkthroughs for how to do loads of things in a van conversion. So that's for water systems, for your electrics, for how to do simple woodwork joints that anyone can do. And I really believe that anyone, regardless of their experience, can make a half decent van conversion. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate you watching our content, and we put a lot of effort to make it interesting, informative, and find those cool projects that feature on our channel. Consider subscribing, leave a comment, and we'll see you next week.